okujaguza ekiro kya Uganda Matters ahari Banda Hospital ekya Hospital Day Assembly kwebembirwe omuriisa Lambert Beinomugisha kandi abandize n'okutaha ekitambo kya misa. Omuriisa ashabire abarikwebembera irwariro eri okuhereza abantu boona nk'oku Yesu Kristo yakozire.
Abarikwija aha kuramaga mu irwariro eri nkabarwire nibija nibeta bina amasiko gukukira nangu irwariro eri njyangu shana turyeti ikiruro abanyarwanda nangu abo mbakigamba ki abanyarwanda tubakuvyeti irwariro baryeta ki ivuriro nenje aho kukiriza.
Amakuru g'ekireki nuko wareke mukorere y'irwariro ahari aba barukurukoresa nuko buhereza bwakubasa kutungurwa
ahubwo busente buciye bw'gavumenti kubahereza nibagezaho services zimwe barebangu ezimwe zikusasurwa ezindi bacendezaho umuhendo kugira ngo umuntu waburijo abase kwiza karaguza umwirwarire nicyo papa siyirwo yesentezo
kurujira hari mukuru w'abashaho ahirwaro rya Uganda Matters ibanda Dr. Gothaldo Tumubugane hino buremezi obarukoraba mu nkirwaro.
Since we have to buy medicines and other supplies that we use to run this hospital, and it takes a big chunk of the money that we collect. Then other expenditures has to go with power. Power we also pay a lot of money. You know, hospital cannot do without power. We are lucky we are not paying for water. Otherwise, I don't know whether we'll be able to run this institution. We had our donors from Savanda. They dug for us a well that we are pumping.
Gasha kwa Timothy Mushabi.